Hi mga kartista! Happy Monday to everyone! Kamusta po kayang lahat? So for this video, this is the day na na-meet ko si Boss Daddy Dapper together with Dapper Squad. Next naman, thank you for the love and support, Boss Daddy Dapper, as always. Salamat sa paregalo, salamat sa time, at salamat sa magandang experience na to dito sa hotel na napakaganda, Hidden Pines Resort in Cavite near Tagaytay. So mga kartista, enjoy watching this video and have a good day. I love you all, Mama!